Ladies and gentlemen, it is Prog time. We're looking at this stock again and what we're noticing for today. Overall, the trend is still red. We're down by about 2% in trading hours and falling by a further 1.47% in after hours so far, but really it isn't too bad. You will see that we're only falling by 7%, and this 2% drop, whilst it is still another day in the red, it really isn't as bad as what we have been seeing for the last couple of days, and on the more technical chart, something could possibly be forming. We're going to be talking about that and a lot more in this video, so if it does sound good, make sure to of course leave a like and subscribe to this channel. The more of you guys that subscribe, the more I know that you enjoy the content, so please keep it coming. But do remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinions. I can be wrong, so do remember that. Do your own research. Remember that this stock carries quite a lot of risk, and you should be very, very careful if you are looking to invest, because it can go down just as quickly as it can go up. But now I have said that, we're just going to quickly look at the trend for the past day or two on the simple chart actually, and on the 1 day you will see the trend is really looking quite good. So yes, we did have that big drop on open. You will see 930 all the way down to our lows, which were down here at 288. Now this was at a time of 1031. So yes, for the first hour or so we did see that big drop. But really from there, we had a bullish run all the way up towards the end of day. And actually we hit our highs of the day, which were up here. This was at about 40 minutes past 3, and these were back at about 3:48. So yeah, we did see a bit of consolidation and then a little bit of a drop towards the end, but you may expect that with people taking profits potentially if they are day traders. But yeah, overall some nice consolidation there, and I am very, very happy with it for the 1 day. Now, the past 5-day chart, you can see a few things are clear. Whilst today is a day in the red like it did say, it's really not looking too bad, and it does look like we could be potentially forming a bit of an uptrend with this stock. Again, it is still unclear, but you will see we haven't really seen upwards trends like this in the past 5 days. We've just been seeing drop and drop and drop. Yes, we did have a relatively good day on Thursday of last week, but apart from that, we are seeing continuous drops. And my question is, where is this trend going to go from now? Now, on the past month, you will see how the chart is mixed. Now, this is something which I have been talking about in detail on the 1 month chart. We do have a pattern with a stock of kind of seen a bit of growth, seen a dip, seen a bit more growth, seen a dip, seen a bit more growth, and seen a dip. Right now my question is, are we about to see some more growth or not? But I'm going to be talking about this more in a bit of detail. I just wanted to go over it with you on the 1 month chart, and things are really looking okay there. Again, my real question for now is this going to be our new stage around here where we're going to start to see this rip take off? I do hope so, but it is still very, very unclear and very speculative with this stock. So now what I want to do is look at a few of the technical indicators with you guys, and then I will share a few of my opinions. Now, as far as technical indicators are concerned, RSI figure is at 48, which is really, really good. Bear in mind the RSI, which is down here, by the way, we want this one to be on 50. 50 is considered absolutely neutral. 48 is really good. It is honestly where we want to be. Now, the trend for the MACD in this time is becoming a little bit bearish, but it was overwhelmingly bullish as we did have this rise. Again, it is just coming down to more normal and neutral levels, so it's not yet bearish, but it is falling from where we were earlier on in the day. Now, the 5-day chart for this time period, a moving average figure of 324. Now this is a bit lower than where we are because we have had that rise and it hasn't really had the time to catch up, so you would expect it to be a bit lower, and it is also a lagging indicator, so this is not something out of the ordinary. Now the trend for the RSI this time is climbing a little bit high at 62. It's really not too bad. It's only 12 points away from neutral, and it is about 20 points away from being overbought, so I'm not really too worried about that one yet, but it is climbing a little bit high, but you know, it's not really out of the normal levels, and the trend for the MACD is becoming more bullish as we have had this rise towards the end of day. On the past month, a few things are clear, and I want to highlight all of those to you. So the first thing that I want to point out is the fact that the RSI figure is on 64. Again, not too bad, a little bit high to be honest. We do possibly want this one to come back down to more normal levels, but it's not really out of what we would expect for the stock, so I'm not too worried about that. Now the MACD is coming to a point where it is very, very close to crossing over. Actually, it's closer than we have been for a while. And again, a MACD trend is something which we kind of have broken in the past month, because what I have been saying for the last 2 or 3 rips, we're seeing 2 green candles, 3 red candles, 2 green candles, 3 red candles, 2 green, and now we're seeing about 4 which are in the red, so kind of we are out of this scale. And today was another red candle, by the way, but it was cutting it very, very closely. We are still stepping down on the MACD trend, and the lines are becoming increasingly close to crossing over. They're about to do that any moment now if this does continue into tomorrow, but again, this could all change if we do start to see that upwards push. So really, for this trend to continue, I think we do want to see this one start to push up tomorrow. That would be my ideal scenario. Now today I did speak about a potential push up coming. I do want to see this happen in the next 1 to 2 days. I think if this happens by, the next 2 days, we are still in a very good position with this stock, and I understand that the data for the stock is looking very, very good anyway. I know about the fundamentals behind the company. I know about the fundamentals behind the potential of this stock going higher as well. I know that the potential is there, but you need to remember that what we are doing here is a bit of a technical analysis. I'm just looking at this from more of a technical standpoint. My question is, can we keep this trend up? I think there is still some potential for it. I don't think it is dead yet. I'm just waiting to see what happens with the stock in the next couple of days. So very, very interesting with Prog today. I think we're still in a good place. I think the fact that we are only dropping by 2% today is really good. Again, what we want now is, because we have still technically had a green candle today, what we want is we want to see another green candle come into this one tomorrow. We've had that volume come into the stock today, which was a little bit higher than what we have been seeing for the past 3 trading days, which is good. Keep that volume coming up, because like I said, we do usually see low volume, then the high volume comes in all of a sudden, and we have another spike up. Will that trend continue? I want to find out tomorrow, and I will be giving you an update on what does happen. So thank you for watching this one. See you all again tomorrow, guys. Remember, be very careful, do your own research, and do not invest more than you are willing to lose. But thank you. Now let me tell you about our Discord. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you'll be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.